Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to disconnect SafePal from Uniswap. Disconnecting your SafePal wallet from Uniswap is quite simple. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Now in the URL box at the bottom, type in app.uniswap.org and search. If you've connected SafePal to Uniswap, then you will be able to get to this interface as soon as you type in the web address. Go ahead and tap on the green button at the top right corner of the screen and then click on the power button at the top right corner right next to the gear button. Now click on disconnect and you will then be able to see yourself redirected on this page. Now you should be disconnected from Uniswap. That is how you disconnect SafePal from Uniswap in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.